good. Everything's
This
okay
is
over there?
Marlon.
Yeah, everything's
He's
fine.
smoking shabu. This is here. We put shabu inside. Then like this one.
Come on.
Then he's smoking shabu.
You sure you're alright?
Shabu, di ba? Shabu?
Yeah.
Really wants
Shabu.
to talk to you.
Sarap.
Here he is.
You get drunk now.
Hey.
Like a drunk.
I'm nearby. I'm gonna see you soon.
His school told Mom I'm too smart for my grade.
I told you were smarter than me.
Nobody's smarter than you. I miss
Ano bagalan mo?
I'm
I miss
Marlon.
you too.
Marlon?
I'm Marlon.
Marlon, where are you from?
I came from Paco, 1438 Illinois Street, Paco, Manila.
Manila.
Yes.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
Okay.
Okay.
What you like to say for the people who see you now in YouTube?
I think some people say, oh,
Don't be
Marlon.
ashamed. Say,
Yes,
talk,
yes,
call. Tell me.
If you try this, something like you drank some Budweiser.
Masarap, di ba?
Yes, delicious.
Delicious.
And then also have flavor like grapes and strawberry.
Oo.
Okay. No, no cocaine.